Want to sound more natural, more confident, and more prepared in Vietnam? In this recap, you'll learn 10 practical Vietnamese phrases and grammar patterns for real-life travel, shopping, food, and everyday conversation. Welcome to Vietnamese in 60s. In today's recap, we're going through 10 useful Vietnamese phrases and grammar structures that help you agree, respond naturally, stay safe, travel smoothly, and sound more local in Vietnam. To express agreement in Vietnamese, say Toi Jong I. Repeat after me, Toi Jong I. This is a useful phrase for daily conversation, making plans, confirming choices, or showing polite agreement. You can also make it sound slightly more natural with Vâng, tôi đồng ý, meaning yes, I agree.
Tôi đồng ý, vâng, tôi đồng ý.
When you want to show willingness or openness, say Toi sẽ tu. Repeat it slowly, Toi sẽ tu. This phrase is useful when trying new food, learning something new, or responding positively in conversation. A softer and friendlier version is Tôi sẽ thử nè.
Tôi sẽ thử nhá.
This is a very important phrase for safety. To say, I'm allergic, use Tôi bị dị ứng. If you want to be specific, add the item after it.
For example, tôi bị dị ứng đậu phộng. I'm allergic to peanuts. Or, tôi bị dị ứng hải sản. I'm allergic to seafood. This phrase is especially useful in restaurants or food markets. Tôi bị dị ứng hải sản.
After shopping or paying for a service, you may need a receipt. In Vietnamese, say Cho Toi Hoa Jon. Repeat after me, Cho Toi Hoa Jon. This is useful for shopping, business travel, reimbursements, or simply keeping records of your spending.
Hóa đơn, cho tôi hóa đơn.
When using a taxi in Vietnam, this phrase is extremely practical. Cho toi jen gia chi nai. It means, take me to this address. You can say it while showing the address on your phone. This helps avoid confusion and makes transport much smoother.
Đến địa chỉ này. Chở tôi đến địa chỉ này.
When shopping for clothes in Vietnam, this is one of the most useful questions you can ask. Co size kach kong. Repeat slowly. Co size kach kong. It means, do you have another size? This phrase helps you shop more confidently and naturally.
Size kak. Có size kak không?
If you want to sound trendy and modern in Vietnamese, use shinixo. This slang phrase is often used when something looks impressive or high quality. For example, Quan nai shin shou qua. This cafe is so awesome. It's expressive, fun, and very social media friendly.
Xịn sò, quán này xịn sò quá.
To express strong admiration or excitement, say Jin qua. Repeat it, Jin qua. This is used when reacting to something impressive. It could be a performance, a meal, a view, or a surprising moment. It helps you sound expressive and emotionally natural in Vietnamese.
Đỉnh quá, đỉnh quá.
In Vietnamese, the word sap is used for something that is about to happen very soon. The structure is simple, subject plus sap plus verb. For example, Toi sap ji ha noi means I'm about to go to Hanoi. This is a very useful grammar pattern when talking about near future actions.
Tôi sắp ăn, tôi sắp gặp bạn.
To compare things in Vietnamese, use the word hon. The basic idea is A plus hon plus B, meaning one thing is more than another. For example, Mon nai rahon means this dish is cheaper, and Kach san nai jep hon means this hotel is more beautiful. This structure helps you express preference clearly.
Món này rẻ hơn, khách sạn này đẹp hơn. Let's quickly review today's 10 key Vietnamese lessons. 1. Tôi đồng ý, I agree. 2. Tôi sẽ thử, I'll try. 3. Tôi bị dị ứng, I'm allergic. 4. Cho tôi hóa đơn, please give me the receipt. 5. Chở tôi đến địa chỉ này, take me to this address.
6. Co size kach kong. Do you have another size? 7. Shinsho. Awesome. 8. Jing qua. Amazing. 9. Sap. About to. 10. Hon. More. With these phrases, you can travel more smoothly and express yourself with more local Vietnamese. If this recap helped you, follow for more practical Vietnamese. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode of Vietnamese in 60s.